Verb. A verb is a word that expresses an action, state, or occurrence. It is one of the most important parts of speech because it tells us what the subject of a sentence is doing or what state it is in. Types of verbs. 1. Action verbs, dynamic verbs. 2. Linking verbs, state of being verbs. 3. Helping verbs, auxiliary verbs. 4. Transitive verbs. 5. Intransitive verbs. 6. Regular verbs. 7. Irregular verbs. 8. Modal verbs. 9. Phrasal verbs. 10. State of verbs. 1. Action verbs, dynamic verbs. Show physical or mental action. Physical action. Run, jump, eat, write. Mental action. Think, believe, imagine, remember. 2. Linking verbs, state of being verbs. Connect the subject to a description instead of showing action. Common linking verbs. Be, is, am, are, was, were, seem, appear, become, feel, sound, taste. Example. She is happy. 3. Helping verbs, auxiliary verbs. Help the main verb form different tenses, moods, or voices. Primary helping verbs. Be, have, do. Modal verbs. Can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would. Example. She has finished her work. 4. Transitive verbs. Require an object to complete their meaning. Example. He bought a car. Bought what? A car. 5. Intransitive verbs. Do not need an object. They make sense on their own. Example. She sleeps peacefully. No object needed. 6. Regular verbs. Form past tense by adding ed or d. Example. Walk, walked, play, played. 7. Irregular verbs. Do not follow a standard past tense pattern. Example. Go, went, gone, eat, ate, eaten. 8. Modal verbs. Expressibility, possibility, necessity, or permission. Example. She must go now. 9. Phrasal verbs. A verb combined with a preposition or adverb that changes its meaning. Example. Give up, quit, look after, take care of, run into, meet unexpectedly. 10. State of verbs. Describe a state, feeling, or condition rather than an action. Example. Love, hate, own, believe, know, understand.